Hello everybody and welcome back to Stoneblock. We are still in the process of making the mob spawner here. Or mob farm, I should say. Would be a better word for it. How far should I go in this room though? I think right there would probably be good. Just want to make a kind of like a small little area right here around this. We want it to be 3 wide. And there goes pickaxe. I mean, I have this. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And now we can just go across like this here. Oh, that's broken. Can I just repair it like that? No. Well, just make another table for in here while I'm at it. Here, I'll put it right there for now. Then I can just make another pickaxe. Oh, we want another 3 wide. I'm gonna have them fall from up here. I'm gonna make this room here just a little bit bigger. Do tree dance, yeah, let's do the tree dance. Do tree dance, yeah, let's do the tree dance. Bad tree. Oh, there we go. Good tree. Okay, there we go. We got all this done here. Other than that little tree dance I did to get some more wood, that's about all you guys really saw. But yeah, I got this room set up now. Now I'm gonna have to dig up. I'm gonna have to dig up, make a tunnel, and then I want to make a room up there. That way, when the mobs come and they drop, they have very low health, and I could just take them out pretty much. Okay, well, I'll see you guys when I finish that. Okay, there we go. Did a little more than I thought I would. Did a little more there, but then just dig the tunnel. Granted, I still have to carve out all those stairs and all that, but first I need to get some water up here. Just the most important part. So I'll see you guys as soon as that's done here. Okay. So I got everything done, and I found a little bit of an issue. I may have made the drop too far. They're dying as soon as they hit, which is not what I wanted to happen. What if we go up by 1? There is, of course, easier ways to make one of these. Okay, see, right there, still dies. Which means that I need to go up 1 more layer. Oh, legendary look bag, look at that. They're still dying. Jeez, I really went up when I made this. Not realized by how much. Granted, them dying on impact is not always the worst thing, although it does make it so we can't get any real experience. Jeez, they just keep on falling. Well, let's get some of this cobble out of our inventory, make some room. That way we can still... This is like a trial and error at this point. What works and what doesn't. So let's just go up another block. It still died. Yep. Still not. Up one more. Still dying. Jeez, I really made this higher than I thought I did. This is... Not sure whether this is good or bad, to be completely honest. Still dying. Jeez, I really went up far with this. Oh, here, I'll come back when I found the right height here. So if you can't tell by the fact that I'm poisoned, I found the right height. Now it's just time to figure out what we're going to be doing to get up there. Or if I'm going to be lowering it. I think if anything, I'll probably just raise the floor. I don't know, we'll see in a second here what I'm going to do. And I just got my first death. Yay! Okay, so there we go. This room is now just a big empty room. We have a ladder here to get up to the second floor. I got this sword from one of these loot bags. I don't think it was a common one. And now we have the room all set up. There we go. And I actually did end up... Some still end up dying, but most of them survive, so I'm fine with that. Let's see here. I do believe... Yep, I completed the mob farm. We're not even going to bother working on the automated mob farm yet. All we would really need is maybe the item collector, but I don't think we need to work on that. That's not our top priority right now. Okay, let's go back downstairs. I have that door there for baby zombies if they fall and survive. That way they don't come all the way down here. And they'll break that door, and then if they get down this ladder, we have another door so we can hear them. Actually, open up that crate. What do we get in this crate here? What did we get? I don't really care for these that much. Yeah, throw that in there. Let's open up some of these bags here. See what we can get. This here, if you open it, you'll more than likely, there's 99.99% chance, I believe, you'll get. Here, let me just look this up right here. Here it is, right here. Yeah, there's a 99.99% chance that you will get back another patient back, and a 0.01% that you can get another star. So I'm not gonna sit here and open that. At some point, we can probably automate a bag opener, so that this will just keep on looping through, and then at some point, we'll get another star out of it, or we have a chance of getting another star. No guarantee. Scar, we get this here, which I'm not gonna open up next to the base, and we get some diamond boots. Let's put the gravel in here. Gravel, stone, all of that. Diamond boots, nice. Raw chicken, I'll take it. Blaze rod. This here's for chance cubes, I believe. Yep. Another thing for chance cubes, silicone, all of that stuff. I'm not gonna take it all out because, ooh, diamond pants. I'm not gonna take things out of this mainly because they're a good form of storage. We already have a stack of those. We can just add that too. I'm actually just gonna leave these in here now that I think of it. Although I will take that legendary one. They have draconium dust, diamond leggings, and a magma slime crystal. Throw that right there. Let's save those for another time because I would want to dig away to open that up. Let's just leave everything else where it is. What is the next thing we want to do? Now that we have bones, we can actually make a crucible, which is going to be clay and bone meal. Where did we put the clay? There's the clay, and there's bones right here. Perfect. We need 6, 7 of those. We have an extra door. Just use that. There we go. Cauldron, and let's get this mine under this. Just take this torch, throw it under there. Yep, and then all that stone will slowly melt. At some point, we can actually put lava under it. Well, once we get a lava bucket, we put lava under it, and where you see where it says rate ×1, we can get that up to 3 times if we put lava there. I'm not sure what else we can do to get that up, but that's... Okay, so the video ended up cutting out at some point for some reason, but we went through the different meshes and we found out that diamond mesh will actually give you stuff that, say, iron won't. See, grains of infinity are only available for diamond meshes. You see, with iron, you can only get diamond and emerald. And well, for extras, everything else is there, but diamond and emerald, then iron. Go to an iron mesh. You see how we can't even get lapis with an iron mesh. I mean, flint mesh. Flint mesh, we can't get lapis, diamond, or emerald. And I'm not sure if I did this one before the cutoff, but we did make a flint mesh, so we have a better chance of finding some ores, or well, some, is it pieces of ores, or, yeah, ore pieces. So, well, that is where we're going to end today's video. If you did enjoy, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. It's been amazing having you all here, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.